Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our phone. Friend, you want to disconnect your speaker, so friends how can you disconnect? In this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friend first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So it's now time to start video friend. First of all guys you will have to guys click on guys your phone setting to disconnect guys your speaker. So friends, you can see guys your more connection setting is tap here to disconnect. Then guys you can see Bluetooth setting and tap here. So you can see guys we have connected guys the JBL Go company speaker and guys we want to disconnect. So guys how to disconnect? Guys you can see right side guys this setting icon. So guys tap here and guys you can see disconnect option and forget option. So you can see disconnect option guys tap here to disconnect. Then guys speaker will disconnect to our phone guys we cannot use. As you want to use, so you will have to on guys Bluetooth and it will connect automatic. So I hope friends you've understood how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.